Hello everyone, welcome back to the cottage. Today, just a little project today. We're going to start taking down the window shields that we have on the screens outside in our dining room. Just, it's getting nice out and it's nice to have a nice breeze when you're out there having a meal. So I'm going to get set up and we're going to get right into it. Okay, so that's it for the window panes. We got those all put away. Next I want to do is we got some shades for the gazebo down at the end of the dock. It's a shade so that when it's really sunny we can put them down and we'll have some shade. So I'm going to load them up and we're going to take them down and install them. Alright, so that's it for this episode. Thank you for joining me. A short episode, not much going on. Don't worry, there's some projects coming up. We're going to have some stuff to show you. I know things have been a little bit boring, but sometimes boring's good. Gives you a chance to relax and decompress. So, especially with the way things are right now in the world, it's nice to have some boring and just decompress. Alright, so thank you for joining me this week. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, be kind to each other, stay elevated, peace out. I don't know how well you can see on the camera, but mosquito season is in full gear. I don't know how well you can see on the camera, but the mosquito season is fully open. They are all over the place. They are just, as long as they don't give out COVID, well, I guess we'll be okay. Because, any excuse to, anyways. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but the mosquitoes are just, boom, they're here. It's mosquito season. The only thing we don't need is for mosquitoes to start giving COVID, because then we'll be in trouble. So anyways, I just wanted to show you, because I think you can see that the mosquitoes are just insane right now. We'll probably have them for about the next month. And I got some mosquito jackets. I can't find them because my wife put them away. And my memory kind of sucks as it is. And then she walks behind me and puts things away. And then I really don't know where they are. So it's a whole other adventure. All right, anyways, let's get back into what I was doing. So.